Welcome to Daily Insights, your source of bite sized wisdom and transformative knowledge. I am Dr. Laxley Stephenson. I invite you to journey with me into a world brimming with enlightenment, where every moment is a golden opportunity to learn, grow, and view the world anew. Together, let us explore the marvels hidden in the fabric of daily life, transforming ordinary encounters into invaluable lessons. Whether you are seeking inspiration, a quick practical tip, or a profound exploration of life's most significant questions, Daily Insights is your gateway to daily inspiration and discovery. Join me and let us illuminate the path to wisdom together. Today's topic: the true measure of victory, winning by uplifting others, came to me through a conversation with a very close friend, Mr. James Laird. I know that winning is something that is very dear to all of us. Yes, it is very much on our mind. Every time we talk about winning, it is easy to envision a single person standing at the podium, basking in the glow of victory. And why not? But today, I want to redefine what it means to be a winner. Because winning isn't just about the accolades or the personal triumphs. It is about what we do with our success once we achieve it. I ask you, what does true victory look like to you? Is it merely personal achievement, or is it the impact we leave on the lives of others? I, myself, I am a winner, not when I cross the finish line first or receive an award. I am a winner when I extend the ladder of success to others. You see, true victory comes from lifting those around us and sharing our resources, knowledge, and opportunities with those who need them the most. The people who matter most in the context of winning are often those not in the spotlight: the mentors who guides us, the families who support us, and the communities who cheer for us along the way. We must remember that with every triumph comes a responsibility to give back. You know the saying, to whom much is given, much is expected. This is not just a moral duty, it is the very essence of a meaningful and lasting victory. When we help a young person pursue education, support an entrepreneur to realize their dream, or contribute to a larger cause than ourselves, we multiply the effects of our success. We multiply the effects of our win. So let me ask you a question. Who has helped you in your journey to success? Now, how can you pay it forward? As I speak to you today, I am here to say I am a winner when I make a positive difference in someone's life. I am a winner when my success is not a private celebration, but a public service. Let us all strive to be winners in the most profound sense by becoming beacons of hope, change, and generosity. Together, we can create a legacy of victory that goes beyond medals and titles. You and I, we can build a better, more inclusive world for all. In closing, I challenge you, each of you, what will you do with your victories moving forward? How will you ensure that your success is not just your own, but it is also a benefit to others? Because that, my friends, is the true measure of victory. Until next time on Daily Insights, thank you and blessings always.